How to use Discord's Stage channel for live events. Hey guys, in today's walkthrough, we're breaking down how you can easily use Discord's Stage channel if you want to host live events. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up Discord on your mobile and go to your server. Tap on your server name and go to Create Channel. First, you want to create a stage channel. So the three options that you see here is text, voice, and then forum. First one is a normal text channel. The second one is a voice channel where your people are able to hang out. And the last one, forum, is a stage channel. So what you can do is you select the third option and then just give it a name. I'll just do live event. Tap on create. And once you've created a channel, go over there. And then from here, you can start a conversation. Tap on the plus icon. Enter a title on your new forum post. Now, once that is done, you can easily start a conversation here for your stage channel. I'll just go ahead and type in a title, new event for now. Add your description, tap on post. Once that is done, here it will start a new event for your channel. And you can easily host any events over here. If people just tap on it, you can decide where you want to join it. You can choose any voice channel where you want to join and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.